We've got another new thing to show you today, and it might be a little bit more subtle than last time, but there are some things. We've downgraded from bridesmaids to just people that work in the same place and like a particular fabric, maybe. Which is exactly what it is. And we're here to show you today our newest fabric, our newest Sew Over It exclusive. This is the lovely Felicity fabric. So Felicity is a brand new design, slightly inspired by Lisa's new ventures into flower farming. This is another one of Lisa's designs, and it's on this lovely teal background. So it's a viscose like we've used before, so if you've used Gabriella or Esmeralda fabrics, it's on the same weight as that. And it is just as beautifully soft to sew and to wear.
Just it's so lovely. Soft. And I think this colour is just so like rich and deep.
Yeah,
and it's quite unusual actually, I feel. But I think everything we've made up in it, we've gone, oh, that looks quite like expensive.
I think there's something with like the reds and the oranges. And it's not until you've sort of made, when you'll see if you get to see the whole fabric once you've made it up. I think this is a really good example. Like you can see the colours are really popping with the flowers. And it just looks really nice and summery. But,
it is.
But you were also saying about...
Yeah, I think with the oranges as well, it's going to carry me through to sort of autumnal season. I can see it with my classic what I wear in the summer, but with boots and tights for when it gets cold.
There is black in there as well, isn't there?
Actually, that's true.
And with browns as well, it'd be really nice.
Brown boots would be nice with
and then obviously the blue as
denim would be lovely with it. We're thinking how like pretty much anything in our summer dreaming ebook would look really nice in this. Like you could have an alba or a sienna, and then I'm thinking like a denim Sorrento, and I just
it'd be very classic.
Really nice. But summery, but not too summery, I feel.
So we have obviously done some sewing, but this time we focused a little bit more on things that you can make with small amounts of fabric. I have probably pushed that brief to its limit with the ruby skirt, but the ruby I think you mentioned only takes what, 2.2?
2.2 I think,
So I'm going to consider that on the smaller end. Full skirt, and obviously ruby is our free pattern, so if you sign up to our newsletter you'd get the pattern for the ruby skirt, and you just need the fabric to make it. But other people in the team have also done some sewing too.
So I was looking at the much smaller patterns that we had. So I've made the headscarf, which you can see. You probably see I have got a couple of headscarves already, and I do wear them all the time. But just in this fabric, it just felt really different, and it just when it was made up, it does feel a bit fancier. So I'm not sure I've paired it with the right outfit today, but
I was thinking actually that colour really suits your hair colour as well.
I've got a bit redder with my hair. I think because I do like the orangey. It's my colour palette, definite. And then Alma, who's not in the video today, but she sent her make. She has made.
Oh, they're cute.
The cutest little knickers.
Adorable.
They're lovely.
So as you can see, you don't need a lot of fabric for them. But they look pretty quick to make because it's just the elastic. And she's done, what's this called again?
It's a rolled hem.
The rolled hem.
On the overlocker she's done it,
Yeah, she did that for her alba skirt, was it?
Yeah.
But it just makes it look really cute, like all sort of frilly at the edges and really professional. So different things you can do.
And I've made these little, they are little pyjama shorts, but actually I was thinking, there's no reason I think they couldn't be little summer holiday.
Definitely.
I could see these like around the pool, maybe on top of like swimming costume or something. Like they're just quite fun, aren't they? But I did make them to be pyjamas, so I might wear them as pyjamas as well. They're cute, I think, and honestly it was 2 hours tops start to finish, really including cutting. Like it was the quickest thing ever. They were so speedy, and the whole thing was just done. And I was like, oh,
it's nice. It's nice when you have those little projects that just take up a little bite of time. You don't have to commit too much to sitting down.
Exactly. But I just wanted some like summery, lightweight, soft, special pyjama shorts. So I'm really happy with those.
So we're really excited about Felicity. And I think I can say there are more Felicities in the works.
Yes.
So hopefully over the next year there'll be some different colourways of Felicity popping up. Just basically, obviously a lot of our patterns work really well for Viscose. So she will work for so many Sew Over It makes. She will also be absolutely perfect for our next pattern. And we haven't got a version in Felicity yet, but I would really, really like to see one.
Yeah.
And also the one after that, the pattern after that as well, which is hanging just outside over there, looking like that would be cute. But things as well for summer, things like penny dress would be lovely. Penny play suit.
Yes.
All the pennies, the penny top. The penny little tie front shirt and poppy play suit as well would work really
poppy
well.
Would look nice. Nice poppy play suit.
Lovely and floaty.
And the long one would look quite glam.
Yeah. Well, we saying this fabric would be really nice as a wedding guest like dress.
Actually.
Yeah. Because the print, it just looks so beautiful, and you don't need a lot of fuss with it. It just
that's it. And I've got plans for like a 2-piece with my ruby skirt, so doing a nice little neat top. And I think that might look quite quite more sort of wedding guest vibe, quite fancy. But then I'll be able to wear half and half for normal life.
That's what's quite nice about a print like this, isn't it? It doesn't seem too much to do a top and a bottom. And then it will also partner really well with like a denim and other things. So you get a lot of different combinations.
Yeah,
for sure.
Amazing. Well, we hope you like Felicity as much as you do. One last thing. We've got stuff coming out with Felicity, which is kits. We always forgot.
So if you love Rosie's ruby skirt or Chloe's headscarf, we have got kits on sale now in exactly this fabric, this haberdashery.
Yeah, you've got everything you need.
Everything you need. We've even included the threads for this one because we know it's quite like a tricky. You might not have that in your stash, so we've got the threads in there as well. So if you just want to sew one up this weekend, then you can.
We can't wait to see your Felicity makes.
Bye.